So here's the overhead press. This is a longevity core exercise as well for the upper body, but do not mistake this as purely an upper body exercise. You're having to coordinate your entire body, especially if you're standing. This is great for core stability under load and extremely functional. So here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the bar right outside of shoulder width. Now, I'm not even doing a half thumb grip. I'm doing right outside the knurling. And again, this is going to be something that you need to experiment with based off of your physiology, your anatomy, what's going to be comfortable for you. So you're going to grip the bar right outside of shoulder width. And then you're going to step under the bar. And the bar should be essentially contacting your neck or sitting on your collarbones. Now, again, everybody's going to have a different range of motion that's comfortable for them, particularly with the barbell overhead press. So do not push the range of motion if it feels uncomfortable. I would recommend going to dumbbells. So here you go. You're going to step under the bar, lifting it with your hips, and your elbows should be right under the bar. They shouldn't be pushing through the bar like this or behind the bar. This is a really common mistake where people have their elbows behind the bar and you're leaking a ton of power and it's unsafe. So you're going to step out of the rack and then you're going to essentially give yourself a double chin like this to get the bar out of the way of your face, and you're going to press up. So double chin, you can push your head outside of the frame of the bar as much as you need to, but try to just give yourself a double chin so you're not having to lean back too much. And down. Up and down.